Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of woodworking. If you're passionate about creating beautiful, budget-friendly home decor, or looking to turn your woodworking skills into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. We'll share simple projects, tips, and techniques to help you unleash your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content, give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and share it with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Stay tuned until the end for some exciting bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Budget-friendly woodworking. Woodworking is not only a practical skill, but also an art form that can transform raw materials into beautiful home decor. For many, it serves as both a creative outlet and a potential source of income. The allure of budget-friendly woodworking lies in its accessibility. With minimal investment in tools and materials, individuals can craft appealing pieces that enhance their living spaces while also appealing to consumers looking for affordable options. This dual purpose makes it an attractive venture for hobbyists and aspiring entrepreneurs alike. Understanding market demand. To successfully create and sell woodworking projects, it's crucial to grasp current market trends. Today's consumers are drawn to unique, handmade items that stand out from mass-produced furniture. There is a significant demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products, making reclaimed wood an excellent choice. Additionally, the popularity of home improvement and DIY projects has surged, especially following recent global events that encouraged people to invest in their living environments. Understanding these trends can help woodworkers tailor their projects to meet consumer interests, increasing the likelihood of successful sales. Selecting the right materials. Material selection plays a pivotal role in the cost-effectiveness and appeal of woodworking projects. Budget-conscious woodworkers often turn to pine, plywood, and reclaimed wood, which are not only affordable but also versatile. Pine is lightweight and easy to work with, making it perfect for beginners. Plywood offers durability and can be finished in various ways to enhance its aesthetic appeal. Reclaimed wood, on the other hand, adds a unique character to projects and is increasingly sought after by eco-conscious consumers. Familiarizing oneself with local suppliers and exploring online marketplaces for discounts can further reduce material costs. Project ideas for home decor. When selecting projects, it's essential to focus on items that are both simple to construct and have a broad appeal. Examples include floating shelves, simple to make and highly functional. Floating shelves can be customized in size and finish. Plant stands. With the rise in indoor gardening, unique plant stands can attract customers looking to showcase their greenery. Picture frames. Personalized frames can be quick to produce and cater to a wide range of styles and sizes. These projects require basic tools such as a saw, drill, and sander, making them accessible for beginner woodworkers while still allowing for creativity and customization. The importance of quality craftsmanship. Even when crafting budget-friendly items, quality should never be compromised. High-quality craftsmanship not only enhances the longevity of the product, but also elevates its perceived value. This involves using precise measurements, ensuring smooth finishes, and performing thorough assembly. Investing time in learning techniques such as proper sanding, staining, and sealing can make a significant difference in the final product. Customers are more likely to return for future purchases and recommend your work if they are satisfied with the quality of the items they receive. Marketing your woodworking projects. Effective marketing strategies are vital for reaching potential customers and driving sales. Social media platforms, particularly Instagram and Pinterest, are ideal for showcasing finished projects through visually appealing images. Creating engaging content around your woodworking process, such as behind-the-scenes videos or tutorials, can attract followers and potential buyers. Additionally, establishing an online store on platforms like Etsy allows woodworkers to reach a broader audience. Craft fairs and local markets offer opportunities for face-to-face interactions, allowing for immediate customer feedback and relationship building. Pricing strategies for profit. Setting the right price for your woodworking projects is a balancing act that requires careful consideration. Start by calculating the total cost of materials, tools, and time spent on each project. Research similar items in the market to gauge competitive pricing. It's essential to avoid underpricing, which not only diminishes perceived value, but also undermines potential profits. Offering discounts for bulk purchases or seasonal sales can attract customers while still maintaining profitability. Regularly reviewing and adjusting prices based on market demand and feedback can help optimize sales. Customer engagement and feedback. Building a loyal customer base involves more than just selling products. It requires engagement and relationship building. Actively seeking feedback through surveys or direct communication can provide insights into what customers appreciate and what areas need improvement. Responding promptly to inquiries and addressing concerns can foster trust and a positive reputation. Additionally, encouraging customers to share photos of their purchased items on social media can enhance visibility and create a sense of community around your brand. Expanding your product line. As skills improve and confidence grows, consider diversifying your offerings. Expanding into larger furniture pieces such as benches, tables, or even custom cabinetry can attract a different clientele. Seasonal items, like holiday-themed decor, can also boost sales during certain times of the year. Keeping an eye on emerging trends and customer preferences will help guide product development. Collaborating with other local artisans or participating in themed markets can also open doors to new opportunities and wider audiences. The potential of woodworking for profit. In summary, woodworking presents a unique opportunity for individuals to create beautiful home decor while generating profit. By focusing on budget-friendly materials, understanding market demands, and maintaining high-quality craftsmanship, woodworkers can carve out a niche for themselves in a competitive landscape. With effective marketing strategies and a commitment to customer satisfaction, this fulfilling hobby can transition into a viable business venture. Embracing creativity and adaptability will be key to thriving in the ever-evolving market of home decor. Thank you so much for watching our video. We appreciate your support and hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your likes and subscriptions help us continue creating great woodworking projects for you. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.